I'm Eugenie Kelly and I'm a journalist, and today I'm making croffles. To make my croffle, what I do is I take one of these croissants that I've prepared earlier. I've spent hours slaving in the kitchen making this. I carefully maneuver it into my waffle maker. Just heated it all up. I very gently, because it is a masterpiece, ascend for the great reveal. Oh wow, look at that calories. How many calories are in those?
Just 272, give and take.
272.
Do you want to tell us what you're doing?
Eating the strawberry because I ain't eating the croffle. Let's get real. You are real. You still didn't need that. Now we're going to style the croffle.
Styling.
Step
And
one.
like this.
Two is a bicep.
Check out that bicep.
Biceps.